He reported a steady set of earnings in the fourth quarter, 13.5% jump in the EBITDA. Our colleague Sapna caught up with the chairman and managing director of the company, spoke about the APM gas allocation and how that's affecting the company. Listen in.
APM gas, as far as we are concerned, we are only distributor of that APM gas that is allocated to us from the upstream producers. But since we already have CGD business and we have taken a lot of CGD entities besides GAIL's own CGD, so any reduction in allocation of APM gas definitely affects our profitability as far as CGD business is concerned. Now, for our own purpose as well as for CGD companies, which are our group companies or otherwise, whoever wants to have more RLNG because of this reduction of APM, we are extending due support in sourcing that RLNG to all the entities. But yes, profitability-wise, we do lose out because of our CGD business.
So any impact that you saw in your just announced results?
The allocation, the revision in allocation happened in the fag end of the financial year. So the impact will come in the next year, yes.
Or probably in Q1?
Yes, in Q1 also, definitely, yes.
Okay. We would also like to understand that, Petrochem business, the EBIT has turned negative again. So can we expect a positive margin sometime in the first quarter of FY26?
Again, the prices are not in our hands and it's largely a factor of international prices of polymers, which are ruling very bad, in fact, and that is why the results are so. We expect that the petrochemical prices do improve world over, which will give us margin, and we also expect that there should be softness in the natural gas prices, because our feedstock is natural gas only, unlike other places where naphtha is also one of the feedstocks. And we also expect Government of India to put certain tariff protection measures by increasing the import duties so that the cheap sub-quality polymers are not imported in the country.
Okay, so anything specific on that in terms of the import duties? Because right now it seems that the world is going towards zero tariff.
So, yes, while there is a talk of rationalization of taxes everywhere, but we are not asking for any great increase. The present tariff is 7.5%. We believe that it should be raised to, say, a level of 10%. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely. So this proposal has already gone to the...
No, this is an industry. There has been industry demand for a very long time. Yes.
Okay. You also mentioned about natural gas prices. So what's the outlook given what's happening internationally at the moment, and also how crude has been behaving?
Yeah, it's a very volatile situation and it's very difficult to hazard any guess. But since the crude oil prices have also softened and because of the increased production and commitment to increase further, I believe the HH prices should also be in the range of $3.5 to $4, at least in the near term. So I do not see any major upset on the price levels of natural gas.
Well, moving on then.